In this video tutorial, we will show you how to install BestCrypt Container Encryption on Windows with a purchased license. First, download the latest version of the program from our official website, Jetico.com. Go to the Download section. Click the Data Encryption tab. Find BestCrypt Container Encryption and save it to your computer. When the download is complete, open the setup file to start installation. If you are prompted for elevation, click Yes. By default, BestCrypt is in English, but you can select another language. Just open the drop-down menu and find the language you need. In this demonstration, we will keep English. Read the license agreement and check the box to accept. Now go ahead and click Next. Choose Destination Directory. Here, we are keeping the default location for installation. Select a program folder. Here, we leave it as suggested, but you can always change it as you require. BestCrypt comes with a number of complementary add-ons. If you wish to install them, check the adjacent boxes. Here, we are only selecting BestCrypt. Since you have purchased a license, choose External License and load license received from vendor. A text file containing your license key is attached to the email you received from Jetico after purchasing BestCrypt. Open this file. Highlight the license data from the beginning of license data block to the end. Right-click and choose Copy. Go back to the registration window and select Paste from clipboard. Your registration info will be displayed. Click OK, use the license, and start installation. Wait till the installation is complete. Don't forget to restart the computer. Click Restart now. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and registered BestCrypt. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.